Friction a necessary evil. There are some advantage and some disadvantage of friction. So friction is necessary evil. You- Advantages of friction. You could not write with pen or pencil if there were no friction. When your teacher is writing with chalk on the blackboard, it rubs off some chalk particles with which stick to the blackboard. Could it happen if there were no friction between the chalk and the board? Yeah, the teacher will not able to write on the blackboard. If an object start moving, it would never stop if there were no friction. Had there been no friction between the tires of the automobiles and the road, they could not be started or stopped or turned to change the direction of motion. You could not fix a nail on the ball or or tie a knot without friction. No building could be constructed. These all are the advantage of friction. On the other hand, friction is an evil too. It bears out the materials whether they are screw, ball bearing or shoes of sole of shoes. You must have seen worn out steps of foot over bridge at railway station. Friction can also produce heat. Vigorously rub your palm together for a few minutes. You strike a matchstick against the rough surface, it catches fire. You might have observed that the jar of mixture become hot when it is run for a few minutes. In fact, when a machine is operated, heat generated causes much wastage of energy. Increasing and reducing friction. Friction is desirable in some situations. Have you ever thought why the sole of your shoes is grooved? It is done to provide the shoes better grips on the floor so that you can move safely. Similarly, the grooved tires of cars, trucks and bulldozers provide better grip with the ground. Sportsmen use shoes with spike to increase the friction so that their shoes do not slip while they run or play. You might have seen that kabaddi players rub their hands with or soil for a better grip of their opponents. Gymnasts apply some coarse substance on their hand to increase friction for better grip. Reducing friction. In some situations, however, friction is undesirable and we would want to minimize it. Why do you sprinkle fine powder on the carom board? You might have noticed that when a few drops of oil are poured on the hinge of the door moves smoothly. A bicycle and a motor machine use grease between the moving parts of these machines. In all these cases, we want to reduce friction in order to increase efficiency. What are lubricant? The substance which reduce friction are called lubricant. This chapter is completed. Bye bye student. Thank you.